The Anzac Memorial was built because our war dead at the time were buried overseas. It's an extraordinary marriage between Bruce Dellett, the architect, and George Rayner Hoff, the artist, and so the symbolism is woven through the entire building. It uses the human form more than any other memorial in Australia, indeed probably the world. At the heart of the memorial is this remarkable work called Sacrifice that depicts the next of kin supporting their fallen loved one. It's a place that veterans and bereaved mothers and widows could relate to. They could see themselves in the sculptures. There's an invitation engraved in the floor, "Let silent contemplation be your offering." The Anzac Memorial opened in November of 1934, but lack of funds during the Depression and an enforced timeline meant that it was opened incomplete, if you like. Using Centenary of Anzac funding, we were able to complete Bruce Dellett's original design. The Anzac Day March is a uniquely Australian event. It's not a funeral procession, nor is it a celebratory parade, but there are military elements to it. So when the march passes the Anzac Memorial, there will be a turning of the eyes of everybody participating in the parade as they are saluting the memorial that is here to remember their fallen comrades.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them